All right, what we got?
So we have a 17-inch stainless steel smokeless fire pit from ThermoMate. Those guys were kind enough to send this out to us. This fire pit, it comes with the cover, it comes with the fire poker, and we think this is going to be useful for us with our new rig here underneath the awning in situations like that. On a summer night where you may not need a whole bunch of heat, but we're going to test this out, see how much heat it can produce. We're going to fire it up, sit around the fire, roast some s'mores with our friends next door here, and see how this works out for us. So thanks, ThermoMate, appreciate it. All right, so we got it fired up. This is a little bit high right now. It's gonna burn down. You gotta use smaller pieces of firewood in order to keep this thing smokeless. So we're gonna try to keep our pieces small, see how that's going. But right now, it's firing up. I just used one fire starter and some smaller pieces of wood. Sherry likes that. I'm being conservative, right?
That's right.
Conserving some stuff there, but let's see what happens.
All right.
All right, I'm digging this ThermoMate. This is the 17-inch stainless steel. I don't think they make a larger one than this one, but it's actually sustainable. It's been smokeless. If the wood is over top of the fire pit, is not operating or functioning properly, you have to keep the firewood low. But yeah, puts off some nice heat. It'll work great up underneath our awning, I believe. It's just, we're still gonna have to keep testing it out and see how it works for us. But so far, so good.
So far, so good.
Yep.